Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Fun Creator channel to support the development of this channel. In this video, I'll tell about Kakadu. Kakadu is the largest national park in Australia. The operational hours are 24 hours every day. Founded on April 5, 1979. You will find rock escarpments, lush rainforest and galleries of 20,000 years old rock art. Learn about Aboriginal culture from indigenous traditional people of the Bininj Mungguy people. Trek through thundering waterfall and witness of the millions of bird migration across the wetland. Experience the magical feel of Kakadu in 6 complete different seasons. A quick way to visit Kakadu is via international flight, landing directly in Darwin from major cities around the world. From the airport, you can drive for about 3 hours to Kakadu National Park. Follow the Nature's Way route from Darwin for a longer adventure across the top end. The most popular activity and attraction in Kakadu National Park are: the first in seeing Aboriginal rock art. Kakadu is a gallery of Aboriginal rock art that is up to 20,000 years old. One of the oldest history ever recorded by any group of people in the world. Art site in Ubir, 39 km from the main city of Kakadu. Jabiru can be reached by passing a circular pedestrian path of 1 km, which is easy to reach. The gallery uncovered some of the best examples of traditional X-ray art. In Ubir, take a fairly steep incline as far as 250 meters to Nebat Lookout. Rock art at Knowledge is no less impressive. Follow the 1.5 km Knowledge rock art, walk past ancient Aboriginal dwellings and their amazing art site. The main website of Bang Gallery reveals the story of Dreamtime's ancestors, including Namargon, the lightning man who is believed to control violent thunderstorms during the rainy season. The second is Cruise in the heart of Kakadu. There are stunning wetlands, complete with rare flora and fauna. The Yellow Water Billabong site at the end of Jim Creek, a tributary of the South Alligator River, considered one of the best places to observe Australian wildlife in its natural habitat. Take a yellow water cruise for a special experience in the wilderness. Canopy boats will take you across calm water where you can spot saltwater crocodiles, albatrosses, grouse, and buffalo around the floodplain. Cruise depart daily from Coinda, take a 90 to 120 minutes. Book a sunrise or sunset cruise well in advance and you will be rewarded with spectacular show at the wetland. The 30 is swimming under a waterfall or admire its beauty from the top of a cliff. Of the various waterfalls in Kakadu, Jim Jim Falls and Twin Falls are the most stunning. These can only be passed by four-wheel drive vehicle because access to Jim Jim Falls unpaved road and it is generally open from June to November. From the car park, walk through the monsoon forest and rock for 900 meters until you arrive at deep swimming pool with magnificent cliff 150 meters high around it. This place is a popular swimming location because of its white sand beach and refreshing water. Twin Fall is a waterfall that split in two and flows from a cliff. The best way to enjoy the panoramic view of the fall is to take a ferry across the canyon or take a scenic flight. Ferry tickets are available at Kenmary Campground, while scenic flights start from Jabiru Airport in Kakadu National Park, which will take you over Jim Jim and Twin Falls. And what do you think about this Kakadu National Park? Write your comment in the comment column. Thank you for those of you who have watched my video to the end. Share this video with your friend. See you in my next video.